Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic do ants live in artificial grass. In this video, we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants do not live in artificial grass because of the absence of microbes and bacteria, plastic material smell, no mud and dirt trials, absence of soil, spore differences, and quick moisture draining. Sometimes ants come on artificial grass because of their installation method. Yard dust and moisture, food particles, liquid drink spillage, and honeydew presence. People mostly use artificial grass to get rid of the insects and bugs from their lawns. However, these do not completely repel ants. They come on these surfaces because of secondary factors. You can limit ants in your home by installing artificial grass in your lawn and patio areas. It reduces the number of ants crawling on the grass, but you cannot make your lawn and home completely ant-free. Ants usually do not come on this type of grass because of the absence of bacteria and microbes. Instead, these come on the natural grass because of the presence of decaying matter. These species use decaying plant matter as the food source, which is necessary for their survival. Therefore, these usually come on the decaying and logged trees to get food. The high-quality synthetic turf contains no microbial or bacterial infestation to protect them from damage and discoloration. In addition, insects do not crawl on them because they do not get food and nutrients. In addition, they do not come there because of the absence of leaf clutters in surroundings that hold fungus species. They do not prefer to eat the leaf clutter but get their food from the fungus on them. Natural grass contains mud and dirt trails in their surrounding, which is the favorite place for ants. Ants live there because of the presence of food source and favorable environmental conditions. Synthetic turf does not contain any mud and dirt trails in its surrounding because of the absence of soils on the ground floors. Some of these have sticky mats for installation on different floors. Synthetic turf does not attract them because of the absence of mud and dirt trails. However, these can come on them because of the presence of dark and warm mats that are present underneath. Insects do not like artificial grass because of the absence of soil material. In addition, people do not prefer to install them by removing the soil layer. I use the geotextile mat, which is made of propylene and polyester material for their installation on the floors. The plastic mat has a porous surface to decrease the risk of damage and increase its durability. Moreover, people also use foam and silica soils to add synthetic turf. Ants do not come on this material because these are not favorable conditions for their nesting. Ants can easily spot the difference between synthetic and natural grass through their smelling power and touch receptors. The crawling fields on the synthetic ones are rough because of their hard and elongated fibers. They do not like them because of their hard material and cannot live there. However, the natural ones are soft and smoother, and they can identify this through touch receptors. Moreover, they can also spot the difference by smelling these materials. The natural ones contain typical soil and leaf clutter smell, which attracts these insects. Synthetic turf has a plastic smell, which they do not like. The specific structure of artificial grass allows quick water drain from their bodies. In addition, these blades have more spaces between them relative to the natural grass, providing more water movement spaces. Moisture does not remain on their surface for longer, which is not favorable for the ants. They prefer to live in moist, dark, and warm places. Because of their body structure and food requirement, they need water for survival and can also die in dry places. These do not live in artificial turf because they remain dry and cannot meet the water requirements of these insects. Thanks for watching the video.